Hello, am I audible? Okay. Good evening to all. It's my great pleasure and honor to welcome Dr. Sanjay Kumar sir, Associate Professor and Head of the Department in Computer Science and Engineering Department from NIT Jamshedpur, and our respected Principal Ma'am Ranjana Ma'am in Valedictory function of AICTE Atal Online Faculty Development Program on Robotics, organized by the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Katihar Engineering College, Katihar, under DST, Government of Bihar. So in this program, we have organized online faculty development program for 5 days. So during the 5 days online faculty development program, we invited total 9 speakers, where 8 speakers were from to deliver a session on technical session. So we had invited Senior Professor Dr. G.C. Nandi sir from IIIT Allahabad. He has delivered a session on how to model a humanoid robot. Dr. Atul Thakur sir, he was Associate Professor from IIT Patna. He has delivered a session on bio-inspired mobile robotics. Dr. Vijay Bhaskar Semwal, Assistant Professor from MNIT Bhopal. He has delivered a topic on session on human activity recognition using deep learning and teeny machine learning. Dr. Rajesh Duria, Assistant Professor NIT Raipur. He has delivered session on artificial intelligence and advance in robotics, and he has given hands-on ROS webworks. And Dr. Bunil Kumar Balwant, he was Assistant Professor in Computer Science Department, NIT Meghalaya. His session was on vision-guided robotics. Dr. Vijay Kumar Dala, he has joined from NIT Jamshedpur to deliver a session on robotics kinematics using software exposure and obstacle avoidance and finding the optimized path using genetic algorithm. Then Dr. Mithul Aharwal, he was from MNIT Bhopal to deliver a session on brain-computer interface. And today one session was from Dr. Ravi Kumar. He is Assistant Professor from MNIT Bhopal. His session was on gate generation and design of PID. And total we had 14 session, in which 13 session was technical session, in which one session was we had conducted for yoga. So Poonam Awadhya ma'am, she was a yoga trainer. She has conducted a live yoga session during the 5 days program. So in this 5 days faculty development program, the AICTE has the objective of AICTE is to train the faculty members so that we can train our students. So I would like to, I'm grateful to the AICTE Atal Academy for giving me this opportunity to conduct online faculty development program on robotics in this pandemic time. And in this FDP, total 165 participants were registered to attend this program from various parts of the country. So approx we have more than 23 states where participants have joined in this program. And most of the participants are faculty members from engineering college. The institutes were affiliated by the AICTE, and some of the participants were from industry and school teachers. So now I would like to thank all the participants who have joined from various parts of the country. And I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our respected principal ma'am. And I must also thank to organizing committee for your support in this 5 days program. Now I would like to invite our respected principal ma'am to say a few words.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
A very good evening to everyone. We have come to an end of 5 days faculty development program. Thank you all for participating and making this FDP a great success. Dear participants, India is among the countries having the highest number of educational institutes and consequently the highest number of teachers and faculty members. Certainly, this fact itself boosts the importance of events like FDP. Moreover, it demands a high level of individual and group effort from participants to draw maximum learning benefits. Our renowned resource persons discussed almost all the dimensions of robotics and have been able to explain vast, complex, and esoteric concepts of robotics to the participants in such a limited time. So we can say that program was a big success in its objectives of stimulating the participants to go deeper into this field and contribute their own. We would like to organize more such programs in future also. Once again, thanking you all. Over to Dr. Dhamveer Yadav.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable speech. Now I request Dr. Sanjay Kumar sir, Associate Professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department. Also, he's working as a head of the department in Computer Science from NIT Jamshedpur. So I request you, sir, to say a few words. Sanjay sir. Sanjay sir, can you hear me?
मेरा हो गया, दरवाजा खोल दीजिए। लगा बीच में कोई आ जाएगा, डिस्टर्बेंस होगा। कोई लड़का से भी आया था।
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. You are audible, sir.
Respected principal ma'am, ladies and gentlemen, galaxy of intellectuals, faculty members, all the participants from different prestigious colleges across India, very warm good afternoon. First of all, I am proud to be here on Valedictory's function of ATAL 5 days online FTP on robotics organized by Department of KEC, Katihar Engineering College, Katihar, Bihar. I give my heartiest congratulations to Dr. Dharamveer Kumar Yadav and his team for successful completion of this program, and I do hope that in future too, they will definitely add some more feather in the cap of Katihar Engineering College. I am proud to see some of my colleagues like Dr. Vijay Bhaskar Semwal, Dr. Vijay Dala among the eminent speakers. I congratulate all of them for their best delivery on the topic concerned. Robotics is a largest growing field today and lot of research scopes are there. If I see 20-25 years back, so robots were used mostly in industry. It is easy to use, inexpensive and smarter. It can prefer job with precision, speed and reliability. Military robots are used in bomb disposal, search and rescue mission, aerial recons. Medical robots are used to train surgeon, assist in difficult and precise surgical procedures, assist patient and recovery, etc. Domestic robots are used in robotic movers, robotic vacuum cleaners, floor washing robot, etc. Today, due to advancement in AI machine learning, deep learning, the robotics space is changing very rapidly. Today, robot can work independently and cooperatively to accomplish any task in different application domain. In medical, previously for tumor removal through radiation used to take few days and months, but today, due to advancement in AI technologies, it takes few hours. That too will more precision and without loss of healthy tissues. These There are n numbers of research going on, and it is not time to discuss those. So I again congratulate the coordinator and his team and the resource persons for successful completion of FDP on robotics. Thank you all. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Sanjay sir, for joining the valedictory function. So I would like to thank you, sir, on behalf of Katihar Engineering College for joining for your valuable speech. So thank you, sir. If you want, sir, you can. Thank you, sir. Now I invite Mohammed Talib Ahmed, sir, Assistant Professor from Computer Science Engineering Department, to say a few words.
Thank you so much, sir. Corona has made our lives like hell in many aspects, but it seems to be blessing in many other aspects. Earlier, it was not easy to attend the FDP program, but nowadays we can attend an FDP program by relaxing at home. Thank you all the participants for attending the program and making this event very successful. You all were very attentive throughout the program. Thank you all once again for your cooperations. Organizing such a big event in which participants from all over the country, more precisely from 23 different states, has participated is never an easy task. It could not have been possible without the relentless effort of Dr. Dhamvir Kumar Yadav sir. Throughout the weeks, we have seen Dr. Yadav sir running here and there for gathering the resources, sending the meeting invitations to participants and resource person, sharing the material right after the session, etc., etc. I congratulate Dr. Yadav sir for conducting such a wonderful event. We also would like to thank our beloved principal ma'am for her open heart support to us. This event would not have been successful without your support. Thank you once again, ma'am, for providing the resources and your precious time that you have spent with us. This event also could not have been successful without the support of our supporting staffs. Thank you so much for your tireless and continuous support. Once again, I would like to thank you all from bottom of my heart, and I wish to see you all once again in near future. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dharamveer sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Talib sir. Now it's time to feedback. So we need your feedback, suggestions, so that in future we can organize such type of event. So the participants, I request you to raise your hand so that we can request for unmute. So please raise your hand. I will unmute you. Okay, so one of the participants have okay. Okay, so I have sent a request to unmute. You can unmute yourself.
Yes. Okay, am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, okay. Good afternoon, all. Okay. Before going to give feedback on the works FDP, okay, I want to congratulate and express heartfelt thanks to FDP coordinator Dr. Dharamveer Kumar Yadav, sir, Principal Ma'am Dr. Anjana Kumari, and all the other faculty members of Katihar Engineering College for organizing such a wonderful online AICTE FDP program. Okay. As a participant, experiences were wonderful, hands-on were very helpful. Materials provided and presented by the eminent speakers were very informative and useful to the current time. Basically, all the lectures were very informative and very much beneficial, but I would like to say some of the sessions like bipedal locomotions and push recovery, how to model a humanoid robot, human activity recognitions using deep learning and machine learning, robot kinematics through software exposures, obstacle avoidance and path optimization through genetic algorithms were simply superb. Okay, so basically, I want to say that this FDP will open for the various participants doors for the future research works in the field of robotics and automations. Okay, in simple words, in one sentence, I want to say that workshop is very useful and practical. Okay, thank you, sir, for organizing such a beautiful FDP. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Chandrasekhar Azad sir, for your feedback. Now another participants have raised hand, so I have sent a request to unmute Dr. Arvind Prasad sir. I have sent sir request. You can unmute.
So, first of all, I would like to thank the FDP coordinator, Dr. Yadav, for arranging such a nice program. And it was a very limited time. He has arranged so many expert lectures related to robotics. As we know that robotics is not a very small like area. It is a very broad terms and it includes lots of expertise in various fields. So I, along with my students, enjoyed all the sessions, and the sessions especially I would like to mention by Dr. Atul Thakur from IIT Patna. He has mentioned about the bio-inspired robotics for various mobility, including actuator and sensor systems, and related to all those challenges and prospective applications in coming near futures. The next sessions, which we got a very good knowledge from the session by Dr. Bunil Kumar Balwantri from NIT Meghalaya, like vision guided robotics assembly application for such a wonderful, especially I am from mechanical engineering department, for such application could be very much useful for incoming future applications. So thank you, Dr. Dharambir sir, for arranging such a nice arrangement. And in fact, we all got informed by that in coming near future also you are arranging such nice type of informatic sessions on various like upcoming futures technology like Internet of Things and all other things. So thank you very much, and I hope everyone is getting fully enjoyed by this expertise lecture. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Arvind Prasad sir. Any other participants would like to give your feedback or suggestion?
I hope I'm audible to everyone. A very good afternoon to all of you.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dharamveer sir, and thank you so much, entire team. Like you did really well, and it was well organized. I would really like to thank everyone in the organizing team. Like apart from the knowledge things, see, it was full of knowledge. The full of knowledge, like knowledge packed FDP. But apart from that knowledge, because in FDP we used to get knowledge, but in few FDP we see like it is well organized. And thank you so much to include one more thing. You included yoga sessions as well. So as of now, we can see, we can say like in the pandemic, everyone is sitting there at their home and like every time they are interacting virtually with everyone. Okay, so it is equally important to like work on your health as well, apart from getting the knowledge from the different sources. So thank you so much, Dharamveer sir and entire team to include that yoga sessions as well. It was really wonderful. And yes, it was great, great sessions to attend, and it was well organized. And for that, I want to congratulate and thank you everyone. Thank you so much, sir. Great. And in the future also, if you are going to conduct, I would like to attend that sessions as well. So thank you so much to everyone, and thank you so much, and congratulations to every team, entire team. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Anand Kumar Gupta sir, for your valuable suggestion and feedback. So it will encourage us to organize such type of FDP in future. So thank you, sir. Any other participants? Any other participants? Yes, sir. Vaisali, I have unmuted you. Vaisali, you can unmute you. Yes, ma'am, please, if you can switch on your video.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Hello, sir.
You are audible, ma'am. You can continue.
Very nice session and knowledgeable session. I have attended all the sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Akhtar Hussain sir, I have sent a request to unmute.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
You are audible.
Sir, good afternoon, all of you. Sir, I'm
If possible, sir, you can switch on your video.
Good afternoon, all of you. As I am a librarian from NIPI, International Institute for Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disability, I enjoy a lot. I learned a lot of things regarding this FDP programs. I learned about various experts through about robotic technology. And this technology can use in the library also. So I am very thankful to organizer, especially Dr. Dharamveer sir, and also I am very thankful to entire team of this FDP programs, Katihar College of Engineering, and also I am very thankful to Principal Ma'am for organizing such a nice program, and I learned a lot of things. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Akhtar Hussain sir. So I think no any other participants have raised hands. So we will start next program. So once again, I would like to thank all the participants for your support and you have joined this program. I would like to thank all the organizing committee members to support this program, faculty members from Computer Science Engineering Department, and all the faculty from Katihar Engineering College. And at last, I would like to thank our respected principal ma'am and AICTE Atal to give me this opportunity and all the speakers. So thank you all. Now we'll start the test. So we'll start at 4 o'clock. So we have 10 minutes. So we'll start online test. So we will share here Google link, or as well as we will share question Google form in Google Classroom. So suppose if someone has not joined the Google Classroom, so you can take question from here. So no issue. So I will share a link here in chat box. So we have test for 1 hour. So we'll start after just 10 minutes. So thank you all.